let me apologize right off the bat for the terrible lighting. I did not plan to shoot this video, and it's raining outside, so I'm using this lovely overhead light, and it makes everything look terrible. But I went to a yard sale today that a friend of a friend told me about, and I was one of the first ones there, and I found so many cute things. A lot of it's for me, a lot of it's going to be for my Poshmark closet, and I just can't wait to show you guys what I got and then get this stuff listed. So, if you're new here, hey, my name is Angie. My channel is all about life improvement. I talk a lot about nutrition, fitness, but I also have a side of me that loves to thrift and loves to sell things on Poshmark and loves to organize. So you get a little bit of everything. It's kind of whatever's floating my boat at any given moment. So welcome back if you're a subscriber, and I can't wait to show you what I got. Everything's kind of here, there, and everywhere. This is my closet / laundry room. So in no particular order, here we go. So I picked up a couple of pairs of jeans. The idea is on these that I'm probably going to keep them for myself, but I haven't tried them on yet. So if they fit, yay. If they don't, these are just some Banana Republic jeans. They are, I just hit something on the wall. Straight leg jeggings, kind of skinny, just straightforward, banana. So I'm going to try those on later. I'm telling y'all, they had so much stuff. I was in there for an hour, and to the point where my husband fell asleep in the vehicle waiting on me. And nobody's as excited as I am, and maybe you guys will be at what I found. This is another pair of jeans that are probably going to be for me. I should say, I wear a lot of Banana Republic. This is actually a Banana Republic top. It fits me well. Gap is hit or miss for me. It doesn't fit me real well. But this is the sexy boot, not just a boot. The sexy boot. So I'm going to try these on. If they fit, I'm going to keep them. If not, I'll list them. I honestly hate listing blue jeans on Poshmark. I've sold 3 pair. And, I mean, I sold them, but I just don't like selling jeans. There's too many. It's so hard to buy jeans online, right? Like, you want to try them on. So I just feel like it doesn't matter how much information I give the person, it's still a gamble to buy jeans. So I'm rambling. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to show you is this cute little Dooney Burke purse. It is almost brand new. Like, there's a tiny little scuff right here. I don't know if you can see it. But the interior is super clean. And it's mini top zip, I think is the name of it. Probably going to try to get this listed tonight. Not my style, because I like a bigger bag. I don't even carry a bag most of the time. I'm staring at my purse instead of staring at you guys. Sorry. Definitely going to list this one. This is not something I'm on the fence about. Okay, picked up a ton of Victoria's Secret bathing suits. I'll spare you the details on all of them, but like this one, is this not cute? A little twist top. This one is a medium. I love this print. It's kind of got like a 70s feel. I want to keep it, but I'm not. This Victoria's Secret one, well, I said I wasn't going to make you go through all of them, but I got to at least show you the print. So it's kind of like a camo with the gold heart, or no, it doesn't have gold. Black hardware. Yeah, black hardware. So I thought that was really cute. And then this Victoria's Secret swimsuit. So cute. I love tropical print. Love this one, but it's not really my size, so I don't have to worry about keeping it. Green's my favorite color. So it's a cute little twist bandeau top again, but it's got this strap. Oh, and this one has a strap too. I need to put that back in there before I lose it. I may or may not edit all this out. I don't know, depending on how froggy I'm feeling. Usually I shop at Goodwill's because I just started doing this for funsies, maybe back in October, November, and there's no yard sales in the winter. So now that I've always loved yard sales, now that yard sale season's here, I'm so excited. Okay. So we got the green. So we got that one. This one's really cute. This is one that tempts me to keep it. These are all Victoria's Secret. I think I said that. Love Victoria's Secret Swim. I heard they're bringing it back. Isn't this pretty with the molded cups? It's got the straps. It's got the gold embellishment. Most of these are small bottom and medium or large tops. So the ones that have the same size on top and bottom, I'm going to list them together. The ones that are completely different sizes, I'll probably list separate. Like that green polka dot one, it's a large top and an extra small bottom, I think. So I'll list those separately. Okay. There's a pair of shoes I bought for myself. These aren't any fancy name brand. I just thought they were cute. So I got these for me. Okay. Hoodie. Love this. I think it's adorable. Can you guess what brand this is? If you said Free People, you were right. So here's the tag. I did not sell. I looked these up on Poshmark and saw where one had sold. So I'm hoping that even though summer's coming, it'll still sell. This is Lucky brand. I've had good luck with Lucky brand. I thought this was cute. Now my daughter did not like it so much, but we have different style. I just thought the embroidery on this was really pretty, and the embroidery is all around the hood. It's got some embroidery on the sleeve. And it's a small. Let me go ahead and dig. Let me get all the hoodies. We'll get those taken care of. Okay, this is a pink hoodie. Victoria's Secret pink. It's blue. It's got like the distressed hem. This is an extra small. Everything at this yard sale was pretty much small, extra small. But this is kind of big for an extra small. But I'll probably try to get that listed today because I do well with pink. This is another Free People hoodie. It's got the Free People tag. It is a red tie-dye with embroidery. So it's got flowers on the pocket, and then it's got flower on the left chest, and then the back has embroidery. I thought this was kind of special. Okay. This is another Lucky hoodie. It's also red. It also has flower embroidery, so if you're really into red hoodies with flower embroidery, I can hook you up. So the front's kind of simple. The V-neck, which is kind of unusual for a hoodie. But then the back has this pretty, you know, maybe a chrysanthemum. I like that. I thought that was sweet. It's going to make somebody happy. It is a small. I didn't show you the tag. Burp. So that's all the hoodies. This shirt, J. Jill, it's linen, and I didn't button it up for you. It's a medium. I think that's going to make somebody very happy. It feels really nice. I've never picked up J. Jill before, but it is a nice brand. I just really folded that crappily. This is one I kind of want to keep for myself, but I'm probably not going to. It is a Jack Daniels t-shirt. This thing is so soft, and it is a medium Jack Daniels brand printed on Port Authority. But I mean, this is a super cute shirt. And I am originally from Tennessee, right? So this is Lucky brand. Just a pretty tank top. Or sleeveless shirt. There's a tag. It's a small. I think it's pretty. Perfect for the summer. I found a lot of lucky at this yard sale. I got lucky at the yard sale. This is a tie front. Lucky embroidered. It's got the little sleeves. I found the tag. It's a small. And then this is so pretty. White House Black Market. I mean, is this not awesome? It's new with tags. It's got this great ruffled collar. It's a size small. I love this. Like, love this, love this. I'm going to list it for sale, but it's definitely one of those where if it doesn't sell and I have to keep it, oh well. New with tags. J. Crew factory skirt, size 2. The pencil skirt. Actually, it's not yeah, it is factory. My bad. And it's pretty. It's orange and white. I don't know if it's reading that on the camera, but it's orange and white. New with tags. I really like this. I have an orange purse I could wear with it and be a super goober, but I'm selling it. Love this. Love this. This is new with tags. It is Together Apparel. It is an Aztec sequin skirt. I mean, this is awesome. I don't think the camera's doing it justice. Love it. Like, I will try it on. I have no reason to keep it, but it's amazing. Regular retail was $52. I mean, who doesn't like a sequined Aztec skirt? Couple more things. Keeping these for myself. They are an Ann Taylor. If they fit. I gotta try them on. But they're just cute. They're like linen. I love stripes. I think I've already said that once in this video. So those are mine. Thinking about keeping this. This is a J. Crew skirt again. Just kind of fun. Floral print. Yeah, it is J. Crew. It's not J. Crew Factory. It's a 2. I think we all know what the J. Crew label looks like, right? And then, oh, these are nice. Okay, so you're not going to be able to tell the awesomeness that these are. These are White House Black Market regular length trousers. But what's awesome about them is they have this nice leg with like the flares on the side. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Like I said, they're new with tags. I'm going to look up and see. They are polyester and spandex, so they've got a little stretch. And I'm hoping I can find, hoping I can find a stock photo of this, because I think I'm not going to be able to take a good photograph of this because my background is white, and it's just going to look like a basic pair of white pants, when in reality, these are fabulous. These are amazing pants. Okay, 2 more things. This is 100% for me. Like I said, I love Banana Republic. This is just a Banana Republic sleeveless t-shirt dress with a cute little tie waist. I thought it was a romper at first, but it's not. It's just a little dress. But this is mine. And then lastly, I bought myself a robe. This is a Copacabana robe company. 100% cotton white robe. Because I'm always cold. So I think that's everything. I bought a total of 24 items at this yard sale. 2 huge bags. And I was in there for an hour. And I may go back tomorrow. because there was a lot of stuff I didn't grab. So thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. I tried to make this as quick as I could. May or may not edit it. But if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy thrift hauls, subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.